Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, all you have to do is click on the button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So what I have here is my 18 inches tripod stand, and I'll be doing an unboxing video. I already dismantled the box before doing this video because I wanted to be sure that I got the right package. Now inside the box I have a bag, a black bag, and also a packaged tripod stand. So the first thing that I'm going to do is remove the wrapper used for the tripod stand so that you guys can see what it looks like, the quality, and how long the tripod stand is. So you guys can see this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to unscrew so that you guys can see how long it is. So this is how long the tripod stand is. It's about 6 feet or 7 feet, so it's very long and it's really of high quality. So let's check out what is inside the bag. I have the 18 inches ring light. You guys can see how big it is, and it doesn't come with automatic filters. I have to attach the plastic filters on my ring light. So on the ring light I have the battery space where I'm going to fix the batteries. I decided to go for rechargeable ring light because of my environment and the fact that we don't have constant electricity in Nigeria. So inside the bag I also have the charger for charging the ring light. All I have to do is just attach the first end to the ring light and the second end to the charging ports. So I'm going to have direct power supply to the ring light. Then I have the filters, the plastic filters. It comes in orange color and white color, so I can have 3 filters using this, either the orange filter, the white filter, or mixture of the 2 filter. I also have the phone holder, and I also have batteries inside the bag. It comes with 2 batteries, and you guys can see on the ring light that the ring light has 2 battery space, so I have 2 batteries. Then I also have 1 battery charger for charging the 2 batteries, and also manual on how to assemble this product together. This is what the battery looks like. You guys can see it's like a camera battery. The ring light can't work with just 1 battery, it has to be 2 batteries. And this is the battery charger. All I have to do is just connect the battery to the battery charger, connecting the 2 terminals together. And when you plug it to the power supply, it's going to like turn to red to show that it's charging, and when it's full it's going to show green color. So now to attach the ring light to the tripod stand, there is a point. Now you guys can see the point, so I'm just going to unscrew and place that point on the tripod stand. So I'm just going to show you guys how I did that. So I just connect the 2 together at that point, and I'm going to screw it in so that it's going to stay there and it will move. The ring light can also be rotated if you want to rotate it upward or downward, or you also want it to be sideways. This ring light can do that for you. In case you're the kind of person that do DIY videos or cooking videos, then this ring light is perfect for that. All you have to do is set it and keep it in place. So the next thing I'll be doing is attaching the phone holder to the ring light, and this is not like the normal kind of fixing. This is actually different from the kind of phone holder that I used to see, but this is how I attached the phone holder to the ring light. So you guys can see this is just like a visual clip of me fixing the phone holder to the ring light. Assembling all those things together is not actually complicated because I'm done with the assembling. The next thing for me to do is just to attach the plastic filters to the ring light. So I'm going to show you guys the 3 filters that you can achieve with this kind of manual ring lights. So this is the first filter, which is the white filter, and I'm attaching it to the ring light. So there is no power supply at the moment, so I'll be using my battery to show you guys what the white filters looks like. I'm attaching the batteries to the battery space on the ring light, and I'm going to turn it on so that you guys can see how bright it is. So I'm just showing you guys how to control the light and where to switch it on and where to switch it off. So I've fixed the white filter and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on my face. So this is what it looks like. Now to the second type of filters. This will be like a mixture of both the white filters and the orange filters. So after the fixing, I'm going to turn it on so that you guys will see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, you guys can see, and I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like on my face, and that's the effect. You guys can see it's actually really nice. I'm only using my phone for doing this video, so there is no way for me to show you guys without showing the ring light and tripod stand. So this is the last filter, which is the orange filter, and I'm going to assemble everything together and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. You guys can see, you can also control it, either you want it to be high or low. And guys, this is the result of the orange. So if you're planning to get a ring light and you don't know what the manual ring light looks like, this is what it looks like. I hope I'm able to help you guys in deciding the kind of ring light that you want. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Bye.